But sticking with the Xbox 360's theme, I've got a controller that obviously has not been touched in a very long time. Both sticks have drift and or are gummed up. Most of the buttons stick. And this one does not connect to the console. So again, do not cry for it. It's been well used. It's been, believe it or not, it was well taken care of. And now it's going to entertain more people than it ever would just sitting in my closet in a box. And I've always wanted to take apart a 360 controller. I have an Xbox One now. And I am sad to see this one go. But I have plenty more. And it's not like it's my first controller. No, those are not. At least those are not screws that I've ever seen. It might be like Allen wrenches or something. Oh, but I felt that turn, so we have something that will work. And I can already I can already feel the frame starting to loosen. Was me? That one fucking screw that's Allen key or whatever the fuck you want to call it. Okay, so finally got that open. It was a pain in the ass. Obviously, I gave up on keeping it in one piece. Which, to be honest, I've got enough of them. If I wanted a fucking trophy controller, I'd have one already. So right off the bat, when I opened this up, these exploded out. What I think they are, or what I think they are supposed to do, maybe. They're somehow correlated to our button, which are over here. Wait a second. Oh, that one is disgusting. You guys see that? Okay, what about on this one? Oh yeah, you guys can totally see that. Oh, so this big one here, this big green one, is our Xbox home button. I might keep the buttons as a trophy. So then this is going to be our A. X, Y, B, triangle? I swear to God, that is a triangle on top of that. And then over here we have our joysticks. You wouldn't believe me if I told you, but I didn't plan this. One just happened to tear off and the other did not. And then each has these tit things. I don't know what those are supposed to do. Why are they different sizes? Like the moons or different, or skulls, whatever you want to call them, are different sizes. That's weird. Okay, and then we have our triggers. Nothing really special about them. They are just on springs that run on a track that activate something. But they run on this track here. So you press the trigger, it activates this, and it goes to this, which I don't know what that. Obviously our charging port. Is this one in English? Yes, it is, actually. That's in English. I still can't understand shit. So, that's good to know, I guess. And then this is obviously where our batteries go. You press down and they charge, or they provide power. And then this is our processor. Processes the information like what we're doing. Like whoop whoop. Oh no, he went left. Oh no, he went right. And shit like that. The locations of the buttons, if I can get it lined up. Oh, maybe? I think I just saw it. Here. So right where my finger is. Okay, near this knob, you can see the buttons, or the button markings. Which is pretty cool. Not entirely sure what this rubber piece is for. Or this one. It's not really rubber, it's like rubbery sandpaper. Kinda. So, yeah, violence had to be the answer again. I chose violence, and we got in with minimal damage to the parts that we were actually interested in. Actually, the only damage is the rubber piece being torn off and the charger port being slightly bent, which I don't know if that was the case before. So I'm gonna say, I'm gonna give myself a 98% accuracy in terms of destruction and how that turned out. But yeah, pretty fucking cool. I don't know if I'm gonna split them up into 2 videos yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys enjoyed the Xbox 360 teardown, or destruction, I guess you could say. And if you haven't seen it, if it is a different video, go check out the Xbox 360 power supply video. Because that was interesting. Both were interesting, honestly. But, well, I hope you guys enjoyed those. What we just did, or did in another video. I don't know how I'm gonna do this yet. But either way, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Then, if you did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Be sure to check out the podcast playlist. That's where my dumbass friend Nick and I do a podcast together. Shit gets wacky almost every episode. Be sure to check out the Redbubble. Link is in the description. You can get skirts, pants, shirts, hats, mugs, all with our logos on them, and many different logos as well. Be sure to check out Nick's channel. He does... Hey Nick, what's that thing you do? What's that thing you do? The cards! Thank you. I drew a blank. Be sure to check out his channel. He does not Cards Against Humanity, Magic the Gathering. Thank you. And this is how you know I don't read off a script. He does Magic with the Gathering over at Lizards with the Most check out the Twitter. He thinks he's funny. I die a little inside. Thank you. And hey, I don't have to shout your channel out on my segment. I totally forgot where I was with that. So, Patreon, check that out. Cash App, check that out. Check out our TikTok. There's some funny things over there. Any proceeds from either the Patreon or the Cash App, I got there. Go to upgrades for the studio, and then Nick's magic cards and things for us to tear apart. So with all that being said, have a fantastic one. Stay curious and tech on.